it's your girl Zoe Star, and I'm back with another video. Ooh, that's 2 videos in 1 week. Don't play with me. I'm trying to be really consistent. So today's video is gonna be a DIY on how to make lip gloss, because a lot of people ask me, how do you make your lip gloss, or what vendor do you make your lip gloss, what vendor makes your lip gloss? But I'm gonna show you guys step by step, but I'm not gonna tell you my ingredients or what oils I use, because you guys need to try it out yourself, because what works for me doesn't work for everybody else. You know what I mean? So let's get started. First, what I do is I always use sanitizer, so I always sanitize my hands. So y'all gonna watch me sanitize my hands, because you know we don't want to get nobody sick, and then I don't have a cold or anything, but it's just for safety purposes. And yeah, so now I got my gloves. One glove on. Now I'm playing. I'm not gonna tell you guys how many gloves I put on or whatnot, because like, what the hell. But ooh. So, and I actually sanitize my gloves too. Okay. So, and also you see my hair is up. I don't want to get nothing in nobody's lip gloss. I don't want them saying, oh, just here in my lip gloss. No, I'm not gonna have that. So first off, what you guys need is lip gloss base. As you can see, I'm using TKB, the 5.5 ounces, which is an American website, so you guys can get this. It's not that expensive, to be honest, and I didn't put too much in because I'm just making like a little video. So this can make about, I'm only gonna make 3 glosses with it, or maybe 2 depending. And already I have my oils, which I only put 1 oil in, and I'm not going to tell you guys. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I put very little. And I really, honestly, I'm not telling you guys what oil it is, because I already told you guys that, like, you guys will have to figure it out for yourself, because, you know. So, now I'm putting, as you guys see, I'm putting the oil in. Yeah. Now, see, I like to put it I usually put it before I put my glitters or whatnot, before I put the oil in, but I'm gonna do it this way just because you guys can see. Here you go. And that should be enough, honestly. Okay, so then you stir. It's a really cute color, to be honest. You keep stirring until you want your consistency. I'm not the type of person that likes the lip gloss extremely thick. I really don't at all. So, and sometimes what I do is I add oil on the way, because look, this is really thick, and that's not, I don't do thick. And I'm not gonna be adding no flavoring oil, because honestly, it's just like a quick video on how to make lip gloss. I'm gonna add a little bit more there, you see, and then just keep stirring till you get the right consistency. That's still really thick. Still, see, so you gotta really keep stirring. And you guys should know, like, you guys should make sure you read up your ingredients before you put something that shouldn't be in your lip gloss. And also, like, make sure you test your own lip gloss before actually selling it. Because what I do is I test my lip glosses. I wait about 3 to 4 days, and then I launch it. Unless it's like a lip gloss I made before and I'm just restocking it. But yeah. This is better. And a little bit more. I put literally the actual amount that I would use. So this is literally the ending. I actually never made lip gloss like this little before. So I make a lot. I usually so this should be enough to just show you guys. You see, ooh, I missed that. Ooh, that was bad. That's not cute. That's not cute. I just dropped. Okay. So this is the right consistency that I would prefer. Do you guys like the color? Okay, so now we're going to the pipettes. So let me show you. This is a pipette, and this is what goes on the syringe. You guys make sure you guys disinfect. Literally, make sure you clean your syringe, put in hot water, soap, everything, because you don't want to get nobody sick, honestly. Because sometimes when these come, you don't know if somebody's putting something in, even if it's sealed or not. I don't trust it. I don't. So what I do is I cut here, this part right here, and the bottom I cut a little bit, so at least it won't be too thin to put in. And let me get my tube to show you guys. So now you guys grab here and you, oops, make sure you don't, you heard that noise, right? So make sure you guys don't actually get air in your syringe, because when you put it in, it will pop, you know. So hold on. I'm really trying to do it detailed for you guys so you guys really understand. And yeah, so hold on. I'm gonna only probably fill up 2 for you guys so you guys can see. And anytime you hear like an air bubble, what you should do is always push it back out, and then bring it, take your spoon or your fork, and you bring it together so you avoid having any air in your syringe, because you don't want no air. Because when you get air in your syringe, you get air in your bottle, in your tube, sorry, and you don't want that. You do not want that. And I have a 16 milliliter syringe, and you guys can get that on Amazon, or you guys get that from a vendor, whatever. I got it from this girl. I'll put her at in so you guys can get it from her. Guys, you know, I'm pretty much blind. I don't know what just happened, but I just lost my piece, so I'm actually gonna cut it again. Guys, don't do that. Don't be me. Don't be me. So I'm gonna do it again. Good thing I had 2 on standby, because I don't know where that went. Okay. So you make sure the back piece that I showed you guys first is like this. Let's take a moment. Isn't this color pretty, guys? Like, stop playing with me. And when you guys use a wand tube, you guys have to be extremely careful on how you actually, oh, I found it. Wow. On how you actually put it in, because sometimes when you have it all the way to the top, it will pop right off. So you guys grab the bottom, you see here, and then you just go. But unfortunately, I had an air bubble, so here, I'm gonna just do another 2 for you guys, just so you guys could see. Look, I don't know why. And then you guys also, I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on full. So here you go, this is a good one. It's a really pretty color. It really is. And it's the last one that I'm gonna put on for you guys. Honestly, this is honestly my first DIY. I've never done this before, and I hope it wasn't bad. So here we go. Now we got the stopper. This bottom part goes on the top, and you push down. And I leave it there for about 5 minutes usually, because you never know. Like, sometimes it goes down and stuff, so that's what I do. This is this one here, and the last one is this. You see the stopper? This is a really pretty color. So now I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna push it in. See, look, you see it went down perfect. You push it in and you close it. And make sure it's closed properly. Make sure, because you don't want to have no incident or anything like that. And don't drop it like how I just dropped it, because yeah. Here's another one. And then this is the last one. You guys see? So here's all 3 of these colors. Really pretty, yeah. I really is. Like, it really is. So I'm just gonna show you guys. This is the powder I use, the glitter powder. This is the glitter powder. You guys will find your own powder, like your own on TKB. I didn't get that from TKB though. I got it through a vendor. I'm gonna do a little swatch for you guys. Here we go. Well, you can see all the glitter flying up. Here we go. That's really pretty. Oh my god, I don't know why the lighting is making my hand look ashy. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and